Dell here with additional comments about this product, this Health Aid Kombucha. I want to give it a fair shot, and I'm going to use my glass to make sure I don't miss anything. It's non-GMO, it's organic, it's vegan, and gluten-free. And let me see what else, if anything. Got a bunch of zeros here on the facts, and it's got a little bit of carbs. But the main thing is that what it does. What this product is concerned with are the 100 trillion microorganisms in your gut. They do more than digest food. They're involved with how much energy you have, and more importantly, your immunity. That's a big deal here, is the immunity. And so it's you got, as I mentioned, it's got the probiotics, but what I didn't mention is it's detoxifying the acids, or detoxifying acids, and natural antioxidants. So this is serious business, and I think it could really help people. So I don't want to gloss over this and not give it a fair evaluation. So I think this is a really important product here, and it has to do with your gut, and it has to do with health. So again, it could be looked at in a medicinal type of perspective, and when it comes to being sick and being healthy and so forth, and having a strong immunity in this day and age, it's important. So I'm going to give this product, for what it does, a 10 out of 10. Not for what it tastes like, but for what it does. So I'm going to clear out my remarks about that, and we'll set this down and not beat a dead horse any further.